Yep.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Today, I want to present my view regarding the solar thermal energy. What do you think about the rich country, between the rich country and the poor country? Usually, we think the rich country has a lot of oil, and the poor country has a lot of the desert. But in the future, the solar thermal energy changed our general concept. Like the solar thermal in the future, in the desert, will be the energy resource, such as like the oil storage. Solar thermal energy currently has three technologies, which is called, the first one is a parabolic interrupter, the second one central receiver, and the third one is a parabolic disk. The usually general concept. Can I just write something there? Okay.
Actually, you know what? I'll just put up the screen, and then you can write on the board.
Not much, actually.
Fine. I'll just pull the whole thing up.
Instead, like we learned this little bit this scientific knowledge in our high school. Do you know that parabolic? If the light comes to parabolic, always came to the center. Is it right? Did you remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is just the basic knowledge how to building the solar thermal power plant. So this is a come to the light in the center, which means that they concentrate on the light and the thermal. So this is in the center. They put in the pipeline. Inside the pipeline, put the special fluid, which is a high electronic conductivity. So which means that the high special fluid can transfer a lot of thermal to generate electricity. So first one is which causes the parabolic interrupter. That has a parabolic in the interrupter safety mirror, and then they come to the right, and then they right is going to in the central pipeline. So this is a concentrated thermal. So if as you mentioned already, if you put the special fluid in the pipeline, the special fluid can carry on the thermal to generate electricity. It is the basic knowledge. It's a parabolic interrupter, and the second central receiver is it's the same knowledge actually. You think that this is a big parabolic disk. So this is which called as a heliostat. This is a mirror. So it's a light come to the mirror and then going to the central receiver. Central receiver has also special fluid, and then they using the special fluid to generate electricity. And then the third one is just the parabolic disk. So parabolic disk came to the right and then going to the center. Also, center has a special fluid to generate electricity. This is just a big picture regarding the current technology. So currently, as you can see, there are a lot of solar thermal power plants around the world. Two is the Europe, and then two is in the Texas and then Nevada. Well, there are still challenges regarding the solar thermal power plant. First one is the energy efficient program. Because the wind turbine usually they generate electricity maybe 20% based on current technology. So we need to improve the energy efficiency regarding the solar thermal energy. We need to improve the energy efficiency. We need to improve the energy efficiency. And then second is the financing. Financing is most important thing to build up the solar thermal energy. And the third one is also to carry on the energy to the other facility. We need to improve the battery and the storage facility. And so we need to invest to store the R&D and then material supply. Grid integration I want to talk about in the next slide. And the third one is the supply chain development, which means that like the energy distribution, like the energy distributed chain. But solar thermal energy operating system, low energy efficient system. So still need to improve the supply chain development. And the last one, and the policy, we actually doing a lot of we learned in the science, we learned the policy regarding the solar thermal energy. So in the United States, they want to concentrate the renewable energy right now. So in the California and the Texas, they want to build in solar thermal power plant in the future. And the human resource training, in the scientists and the policymaker and the operators, still the lack of the human resource in the right now. So we need to improve the human resource training. This is a basic solar thermal energy feature, smart grid. So smart grid, so when you come to the energy from the sun, through the solar thermal power plant, we can generate electricity, and then electricity can distribute to the household. And then if you using as you mentioned earlier, if you develop the high efficient battery storage, we can also using the electricity car. So we can use the energy by free. So in the future, maybe per country which has a desert become the richest country, because they can such a country can get enough the energy, enough the sun power compared with the other country. Thank you.